everyone. So it's been about 3 days since I last filmed in Coron. Today I am here in Cebu. We've been here like for the last 2 days. We've just been relaxing, basically recharging. We're here in a hotel, I think it's called Uncle Tom's Cabin, and it was $24 a night. Obviously more expensive than the hostels that I was staying in and the Airbnb because it is a hotel. But yeah, it has really good Wi-Fi, so I've been able to upload all my videos, and yeah, just nice bed. You have breakfast included as well in the morning, so yeah, price is pretty good for 2 people since we both get free breakfast. And even though I'm in Cebu, we're not going to be exploring Cebu yet. We're going to leave that for a later date, because today we're going to be heading to an island nearby called Bohol. So right now we're just going to head to the ferry port. We haven't booked it or anything. We're just going to get there and see how it is, and then we're going to head to Bohol. I think it was 900 pesos for the both of us, so that's about like $18, and then there's a $1 port fee for the both of us as well, so it's $19 overall. All I say is watch out for scammers, because the moment we stopped at the terminal, all these guys came over to us. They were trying to sell us tickets for like $1, $2 more, so just watch out for that. And now we're gonna head there. And now we're going to head to a little island below Bohol called Panglao, and that's going to take about 30 minutes, and we're heading there for about 300 pesos, which is just under $6. We've arrived in Panglao now. We got here about 2 hours earlier than our check-in time, so yeah, we couldn't check in yet, but they let us keep our bags there. So we just got a bite to eat quickly for around like $8 overall. And now we're heading to a beach nearby called White Beach. It's not even a beach that I really know about. I've never really seen it, but we're heading there now, and it's only like a 11-minute walk. So let's see how it is. We've arrived at the White Beach now, and I can see why it's called White Beach, because check out this sand here. It's got really white sand. Ocean looks really beautiful as well. Really quiet here. So the original plan was to head to a popular beach here. I think it's called Alona Beach. But yeah, I think we're just gonna stick around here. It's very similar, I think, like really white sand and clear water, so I don't think it's gonna change that much. And we're just gonna be relaxing here, yeah. So someone mentioned on one of my videos the other day that here is like the Caribbean, but a lot cheaper. And yeah, it's very similar really. A lot of my previous videos were in the Caribbean, like Puerto Rico, Belize, and yeah, a lot of the scenery is kind of like this. Just like really white sand and super clear water like this. So yeah, it is very similar, but 4 or 5 times cheaper, that's all. So it's quite nice to be in a relaxing place like this again. We spent like the last 5 to 6 days in El Nido and Coron, which is a lot more touristy. So yeah, it's just nice to be in a place like really quiet, not many people here at all, and I'm looking forward to spending the next few days around here. We're going to finally check in our hostel now. We haven't even checked in yet. You can see here behind me, you actually have some like pretty fancy buildings here. First time that we're seeing something like that here in the Philippines. Definitely not where we're staying though. So I'm at the dorm now. I couldn't film much because it's a shared dorm, so yeah, there's people in there. So this is called Gayers Inn, and I think it was $10 a night for both of us, so just $5 each. You can see this is where it is. Really raw looking place. Kind of reminds me of Port Barton in Palawan here, because it's just all like relaxed and just nature everywhere. Pretty nice. I think right now I'm going to try and get some work done, edit some videos, and later on I'm going to get some dinner. Carol, are we at a restaurant or a rave? Rave. Guys, check out how much tuna is on my tuna sandwich. Oh yeah, that's it. That's actually crazy. Oh, that was $1. I paid $1 for this. Carol's looks a bit better than mine. A chicken, fried chicken, right?
Yeah.
How much is that?
150.
$3.
Yep.
We're heading back to the hostel now. Gonna call it a night. It's dark now. Pretty interesting meal. I thought of some other stuff because, yeah, obviously those sandwiches weren't enough. And tomorrow we're going to be doing some different things. We're going to be heading like within Bohol. It's going to be more like exploring the rainforest and stuff. So far I've only shown beaches here in the Philippines, so yeah, stay tuned for that. As always, drop a like, subscribe if you'd like to see more, and I'll see you next.